Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. Today I'm wearing Take a Step to a Better You. You know, these shirts are always down here. This is my brand, Take a Step to a Better You. And in this one, first of all, I've been away for a while. And I'm introducing what I've been doing. I call it Passive Wealth with Sherifa. That's my name. Because I'm very passionate about passive money, although some people say there's nothing passive. Yes, there is something passive because this is the kind of money you create, you put time to create the system, and the system pays you forever. An example is I always have this book. That's where I got the idea actually. People who own properties, we all know those are the rich people. People who receive rent every month, whether it's a commercial building, whether it's a residential building, you see them every day. So we're going to create something similar. In fact, I'm already doing it. You think of your YouTube channel as an asset. And then I added on a Skool community. So that's what we are doing. 2 assets to bring us money, and you could start as soon as today. So that's what I'm talking about. Passive wealth. I didn't even call it money, but wealth with Sherifa. Because once you create a YouTube channel, do you know the gentleman called Proctor? Bob Proctor, the law of attraction. And then another person who is common will be Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn, Bob Proctor, these are people who died. Okay, Bob Proctor just died recently, 2 years, but Jim Rohn died many years back. We still watch him. He's still teaching us. So I want you to see your YouTube channel as an asset, a legacy that you're going to leave here, your children, grandchildren, you can get the message, but also making you money right now, starting today if you choose. So that's what this message is about. If you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Sherifa Nakalema. I'm in Virginia, USA, where it's what time? 5 p.m. I just did an impromptu here. I said, let me record a short video to introduce this because I just finished it recently to tell you about passive wealth. Passive wealth with Sherifa. It's a Skool community. I own 3 other communities. This one is unique. It's special about people who care about the longer term, but it starts today. So what I've done, I've created a community for YouTubers to show you that actually your YouTube channel could become an asset like a house that pays you rent every month. And I'm not even talking about monetizing. Before we begin, by the way, before I recorded this video, I had some news coming up. They're increasing the hours to become monetized. I said, what? So before that, that's not why I'm recording this. We can get monetized still, but you can also create money as we do that. And we're going to use Skool. So 3 ways. So I'm passionate about this, and I've taken time to create a community, which I'm about to show you, and that's where this is happening. But we're going to do it on YouTube too. This video is for you. If you have a YouTube channel already, if you have a YouTube channel, if you never thought about putting up a video, come. I'll show you how to do it, although that's not really my real goal. My real goal is for someone who's been posting a little bit. And then, so for you, you could come to do what I'm about to suggest to make money, or you could come to just invite others. We call it affiliate. So you could come as a person who owns the YouTube channel and you want to grow it and monetize it and make money with it, or you could come as a person who owns a YouTube channel, but you're not intending to record million videos and so on, but you can invite others. So this system will pay you commission. So if you watch this video and it's still earn enough, what should I say? If you see, like when I recorded it, and it's like a month, not more than a month old, I'm still looking for affiliates, the people who are going to promote this community. But after that, I may not. I may say, I want you to have a channel, a complete channel that you're promoting. Okay, so I'm going to show you on the screen. This community that I'm so proud of is going to help YouTubers do this easier and then also make money before the YouTube monetization. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, hang on for a second. I'm sharing the screen right here. See this? It's my creation. I call it Passive Wealth with Sherifa. passive money, passive income, whatever you choose to call it, but I call it passive wealth. So this one is going to change our lives. It is, because I'm going to show you how you make money with your YouTube channel. Now, I recorded a video. See, Skool, this is a Skool community. Skool is recently said put images on your videos because they want people to see quickly what this is all about. That's why I have this. But actually, there is a video right here, this one. So when you tap here, it comes up like this. So that's when I explain everything. See, it's a 15 minutes video. I explain how I've supported people, my experience and all this. I've been 7 years on YouTube, 2 years on Skool. I want to ask you a question. Let me ask right now. Do you have a YouTube channel? You've been recording videos, editing. Sometimes you edit at night, or editing takes long. You do so much, but you have not seen a single dime. When I said dime, I mean cash. You haven't seen any money coming from you recording these videos, uploading these videos. Maybe you go live. Whatever you've done in YouTube, you've never seen a dime. Or if you did, maybe sometimes, but not all the time. We have to change that. We have to change that because that's why I started this special community for YouTubers who are like, especially if you're under 1,000 subscribers, new, or you even abandoned it, you're not uploading anymore, welcome, welcome, because we are going to change this. And we're not even going to make some money, we're going actually to make passive money. You know, this book, I don't know if you've seen it, it's called Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. And we're talking about passive money, but for people who own properties, like real estate, right? Okay, I'm going to stop that over there because this video, when you click below, I'll have a link in the description here and the pinned comment. You can watch it. You go watch it, but if you don't want to watch, right here, I summarize what this is all about, but it's better to watch the video. So when you come in here, let me show you what I've been setting up for you. You see this? I have, like, for example, those who care about Skool, everything that's happening on Skool, the Skool news, every update is in here. I set it up for you. And let me go back. YouTube, I'll end with this one. I'll explain this a little more. Let's see, explore everything else. Skool resources, some tips over there. How you make your YouTube channel an asset over here. Make your community, because the community is going to be coming. Right now you have just a YouTube channel, and I'm going to recommend that start a Skool community. That's how we make the money. So the details of that will be in here. And then I recommend some things right over here. When we go live, the replays will be over here. And then here, the personal development. I'm always doing that. How do you get better as a person? Success tips, all that stuff right here in my motivation. And then over here, when you start a community, I'll give you these step-by-step tutorials to set it up. They're all in here. But when you watch this video, I know by that time things will have been changing because I'm changing. I'm growing, I'm adding things every day. So look at this. This YouTube resources here, I've taken time to build it. It has everything you need at the beginner. For example, how do you set up your YouTube channel? All the way from Google account. Then at here in number 2, I'm showing you what the difference between a video, a long form video, a short, and a live. Because the videos are 3 kinds: long form videos, shorts, and live. So you need to know the difference. Then here I'm giving you tips about long form and shorts and live, and then tips for recording shorts like that. Then growing your channel. Here I researched and got 95 title ideas. If you are the titles you could use in your videos. Then sample hooks when you're starting, what you said the very first time. And I'm very proud of this next section because this is analytics. Analytics is how you're going to know how your videos are doing, how your channel is doing. Most people ignore that. So I'm talking to you about, I'll explain the channel level YouTube analytics, like your whole channel. And then down here, the video level YouTube analytics. How do you know how your video is doing? How do you know who is watching? How do you know who is engaging? How do you know where they are from, which country, all that stuff right here. And then, like if it's making money, okay, this channel level will show you how much money you made, but then this video level will show you which video is making you the most money. So these are all details I have in here for you if you choose to come inside here. We go live, I go live. This is the calendar. I just been live actually. I just finished a live in here. Over here, we go live. Sometimes I do them on Skool, sometimes I do them on Zoom, but a new community. I just have a few people in there. Then here in the community, that's where we post. Like for example, I say, okay, start here, welcome. If you came here, that's how I welcome you. And I have a video here, see, I'm welcoming you. And then that's where you post something. Okay, add your YouTube questions over here. And I come live and answer them. Community owners, mistakes made by community owners, that one when you start a community. Now this is how I welcome the new ones when they come. So it's a new community, as you see, but I want you to come, you support it. I'm looking for a few people to support it at the beginning. See, only 6 members. I just debuted it. And when you come now, it's a trial, by the way. There's a free trial. You can try it out. If you're not on Skool or other platform, when you click the link I'm giving you below, it's going to take you to create an account before you can get on Skool. We make money over here. So when you come, please make sure you are, when you come, make sure you're using your real name. The real name you have it on your ID, and the real name you have on your bank account, because I'm going to show you how to make real money in here. You may be wondering how to make the money. 3 ways. The first one, you could just come and I'll show you how to promote this Skool platform and make money that way. The next one is you could promote my community and make money. Although I haven't put commissions yet. I'm still getting the people who are going to promote. Then I'll grow the commission. Then I'll put it on. It's not on yet. So when you come in here today, don't invite anyone yet. Just come yourself. And then we're going to talk about how much I'm going to pay you. But then, yes, after we set it, then it will have that anyone you invite, you make a commission. So don't invite yet unless I say now I'm paying the commission. The third way you make money is by you starting your own community. I'll show you all that. Yeah, so that one can start immediately. Immediately. You come and you start making money, and we're also working to grow your community. The main thing you're going to get in there is consistency with what you do, because we're all doing the same thing. We're rooting for you, collaboration, whatever you need. And that's why I really created this community. And I'm thinking long term. Like for me, I'm passionate about business. There's another book by Robert Kiyosaki called The Cash Flow Quadrant. He told us that we stay as employees and self-employed people, most likely things will not go well by old age, unless we learn how to become business owners and unless we become investors. So what I'm suggesting here is we are becoming business owners. That is something you can leave for your people, children, grandchildren, yes. So because of the knowledge I have about business, I can share with you how you create the same things that are going to help our people or us when we are older, when we can't do this anymore. That's my motivation actually. So, I want something that will come in whether I'm here or not. I don't want only money that comes one time. I want money that keeps coming. So I explain all these when you come inside over there. This one was just to introduce it. Please support by, if you don't care about any of this, just share it with someone who has a YouTube channel. This is international, but if you want to be part of it, at least upload a video. Put a little video on your channel. That way, I'll call you a YouTuber. Now you can join us. The value I give over there, I've been on YouTube 7 years, and I'm studying there's something new coming up, actually. I'm not talking about it right now. I just read about it before I started recording. School news, I'm always on top of it. They have something new also that came today. You see, I have everything over there. I keep track. So come, let's save ourselves from poverty. Let's save ourselves from the anxiety of money not coming in. I share my stories in that video. So go click and go watch it. You'll understand me more if you're seeing it for the first time. In that video that you saw on that page, I explain everything, the channel that I've supported, the wins I've had, or the challenges I've had. Yeah, everything is in the other video. So I don't bore you repeating the same thing. Thank you so much. Like it, please. Like it, but share it with someone who is on YouTube. Come, join us. If you come, you'll not regret it. I promise you that one. Only if you don't take action. All I need from you, you don't need to spend any money today because everything has free trial. But I'll need for you to give it at least 30 minutes every single day. 30 minutes committed every single day, you'll be good. You're going to meet me over there, okay? Thank you so much. Like I always in my messages, I say, take very good care of yourself, take a very good care of your families, take a very good care of your health. Let's be healthy. Let's come and enjoy life. When you know some money drops in, it drops every Wednesday. I wish I could put on the kaching for you here. You hear it. The money from school, kind of kaching. That's how the sound it makes when they send money to your bank account. It's really cool. It's fun. Anyone can do this. They just put school in many languages. So now you don't have an excuse of a language. You can use any language. Yeah. And they are making it better and better. So pin the comment. Check the description. Passive wealth with Sherifa. I want this to live for a long time after I'm gone. So we learn how to make money that keeps coming. Did I define it? Money that keeps coming every month. You set it up like rent. As long as the building is still there, people pay you rent every month. That's how we do this one, but we do it on Skool. I explain more over there or in the other videos. You can watch my videos. Thank you so much. Take a step to better you. See you over there. Like, share, add a comment for me. Any questions, I'll answer them. Bye-bye.